Treasure Sharks. Lane 2, Donaire of Compass Aquatics. Lane 3, Mark Christian of Illustre East Aquatic. Lane 4, Salvatore of South Warriors. Lane 6, Millones of Siam Reply. Lane 7, Marcos of South Warriors. Lane 8, Josh Mati of Santa Rosa City. Lane 9, John Stephen of All Star Swim Club.